Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tablets for AutoCAD that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional architect, an engineer, or a designer, these tablets are optimized for demanding software like AutoCAD. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Geeson's latest 2025 upgraded Android tablet. This budget-friendly Android tablet is perfect for those who want a versatile device without breaking the bank. It features a 10.1-inch IPS HD display with a resolution of 1280 by 800, which delivers vibrant visuals suitable for light CAD work. The highlight of this tablet is its all-in-one kit, which includes a Bluetooth keyboard, a protective case, a mouse, and a stylus, making it ideal for both work and entertainment. When it comes to performance, the Geeson's tablet runs on Android 14, powered by a responsive 8-core processor, coupled with 3 GB of base RAM, 9 GB virtual, and 64 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB. While it's not designed for resource-heavy tasks like 3D modeling or rendering in AutoCAD, it can comfortably handle basic 2D drafting and design tasks. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensures fast, stable connectivity, making it a great companion for students or professionals on the go. However, its plastic build and relatively modest specs mean it's not as durable or powerful as the other tablets on this list. It's ideal for casual users who prioritize affordability and versatility over ruggedness and high-end performance. Pros include its affordable price, included accessories, and lightweight design. Cons are its limited processing power for heavy applications and lower resolution compared to premium devices. At number 4, we have the W10Y rugged tablet from Sonava. This tablet is built for tough industrial environments, featuring a Milixted 810G certified and IP68 waterproof design. Its 10.1-inch screen with 700 nits of brightness makes it highly readable even under direct sunlight, which is perfect for outdoor work. Powered by an Intel Core i5-10210Y processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. It offers a solid performance boost over entry-level tablets, making it suitable for light to moderate AutoCAD tasks. One standout feature is its U-Blox Neo 7 GPS technology, which provides precise navigation and compatibility with geographic information system software like AutoCAD Map 3D. This makes it a great choice for field engineers or surveyors who need accurate positioning data. The rugged build ensures resistance to drops, dust, and water, while its multiple ports, including USB-C, USB-A, RS-232, and HDMI, enhance versatility. However, its relatively heavier weight and limited battery life of 7 hours might be drawbacks for some users. While it's perfect for outdoor and industrial use, it may not be the best option for users who prioritize portability. Pros include its rugged design, sunlight-readable display, and excellent GPS capabilities. Cons are its weight and average battery life. Taking the number 3 spot is the Munbin 2025 Rugged Windows Tablet IRT06. This 8-inch rugged tablet is compact yet powerful, making it a great choice for professionals in construction or industrial settings. It boasts military-grade durability, surviving drops from up to 1.22 meters and operating in extreme environments. With 700 nits of brightness, the display is easily readable under direct sunlight. An essential feature for fieldwork. Under the hood, the Intel Jasper Lake N5100 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, ensures smooth multitasking and decent performance for 2D AutoCAD projects. The removable 5,000 mAh battery adds convenience for longer shifts, allowing quick replacements without downtime. Plus, Munbin's 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support provide peace of mind. While the smaller screen size might be limiting for detailed designs, its portability and rugged build make it an excellent choice for on-site professionals. Pros include its compact size, rugged design, and sunlight-readable display. Cons are its smaller screen and lower resolution compared to larger tablets. In second place, we have the Munbian Rugged Windows Tablet IRT09. This 12.2-inch tablet is designed for heavy-duty performance, making it ideal for AutoCAD users who need a reliable device in demanding conditions. The Intel Jasper Lake N5105 processor, combined with 16 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, provides excellent speed and multitasking capabilities for handling complex designs and models. The screen offers 650 nits of brightness and a large display, ensuring a great viewing experience even in outdoor environments. What sets this tablet apart is its dual battery system, featuring a 6,300 mAh detachable battery and a 700 mAh built-in battery. With hot swappable functionality, you can replace the battery without powering down the device, perfect for long workdays. It also supports 4G LTE connectivity, so you can work remotely without interruptions. While the tablet is on the heavier side, it offers robust durability with MIL STD 810G certification and IP65 protection. This makes it perfect for construction workers and field professionals. Pros include its strong performance, dual battery system, and large screen. Cons are its weight and shorter battery life compared to other models. And finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Munbin High-End Rugged Windows Tablet IRT10. This tablet is a powerhouse, equipped with the 12th Gen Intel i5-1235U processor, 16 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of replaceable SSD storage, expandable up to 4 TB. With the enterprise-grade Windows 11 IoT Enterprise OS, it offers enhanced security features and advanced management tools, making it ideal for businesses handling sensitive data and large-scale projects. The 10.1-inch display with 1200 by 1920 resolution ensures sharp visuals, while the 700 nit brightness makes it easy to use in outdoor environments. The dual battery system, featuring a 5000 mAh removable battery and a 700 mAh internal battery, allows for hot swapping, ensuring uninterrupted workflows. Wi-Fi 6 connectivity ensures fast and stable internet speeds, reducing latency for time-sensitive tasks. Built tough with Milstead AT10G certification and IP65 protection, this tablet is perfect for construction sites and industrial environments. While it's slightly heavier than consumer tablets, its high-end specs, durability, and enterprise features make it the ultimate choice for professionals. Pros include its powerful processor, advanced security, and rugged design. Cons are its premium price and weight. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.